In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Guitar to Android phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you an easy solution to properly set up and connect your Guitar to any Android phone that you have. Keep in mind that this process and these steps are also going to apply for iOS, so even if you don't have an Android device, you will still be able to get this done. This will work for any brand, any manufacturer, and all that you have to do is use the iRig 2. So this is going to be a little device that converts the guitar input properly and connects easily into your phone. The reason why I recommend this is because it is essentially a native solution. You can look into other options that might be cheaper, however, they aren't going to be as convenient as just using a device like the iRig 2. So you can purchase the iRig 2 at their official website for $39.99, and as you can clearly see by the images, it allows you to set up the connections between your instruments and your phone. So all that you have to do is plug it in accordingly. So gather a guitar jack cable and you will be able to locate the input jack. As you can see, it is marked by this little guitar icon. So make sure that you plug one end of the guitar jack cable into the iRig 2 and another one goes into your guitar. Usually it is going to be right over here at the bottom. Immediately upon plugging it in, you are good to go. If the connection was established, you will now plug the iRig 2 into your phone, usually through the headphone jack, and if you don't have the headphone port or the 3.5mm audio jack, then you will have to use an adapter, usually something like USB-C to 3.5mm audio jack. And once this connection has been established, you are good to go. You can now use applications like GarageBand or other ones available for Android to start recording guitar, and everything will work natively. The iRig 2 makes it extremely convenient, like I mentioned. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect guitar to Android phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.